Hello fams, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is a simple one and it is also beginners friendly. This style is very easy to make and it took me about 30 to 40 minutes to finish making this top, and guess what, it is unisex. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Just a quick reminder, if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll be making use of this lovely fabric, scissors, pins, measuring tape and my matching thread. This fabric is less than 2 yards and it's already folded into two on the wrong side. So this is me folding again to make it 4 foldings. The next thing I went ahead to do was to pin it down so as to keep it in place. From that point, I'll be marking my neck width and my neck depth. My neck width is about 3 inches and neck depth is 1 inch for the back panel and 3 inches for the front panel. So if you see, there are 2 markings there. The upper one is for the back panel and the lower one is for the front panel because I want to cut out both the front and the back panels together. So this is my sleeve, which is about 18 inches. So I'm combining the shoulder measurement with my sleeve length, okay? So that's why I have 18 inches and I just added 1 inch there for hemming. I came down by 11 inches, so that will serve as my chest line, and from there I also mark 1 inch downward for seam allowance. I will be marking the same 11 inches on the other side of the fabric, just as you can see me do. So like I said, that will serve as the chest line and the extra 1 inch for seam allowance. So I'll be connecting the 2 markings like so. The next thing I'll go ahead to do is to determine my round bust measurement. Okay, so my round bust measurement is about 40 divided by 410. I added 3 inches for freeness and this 1 inch for seam allowance because it's a free top. So that same measurement, I extended it to my waistline, just as you can see, and I'll be connecting like so. From that hem point, I came up by 6 inches to allow for easy wearing. I also came out by 1 inch, just as you can see me do, and I'll be connecting with my ruler. Under the armpit, I just made that curve, and for the sleeve, I'll be using my ruler to connect the 2 points. After connecting, the next thing to do is to cut out. So lest I forget, for the neckline, we'll be creating an opening of about 6 inches. Okay, so first I cut out the back neckline. So for the front, I came down by 6 inches, and watch how I made my line. So I'll just be cutting out that neckline in that manner because there is no zipper. If you don't create that opening, then your head won't pass through. So there's need for that opening. Before I cut out the opening, let me just show you how it looks for now. As you can see, the shape is coming out. So I'll just open it like this. You saw the way I opened it. Pick that part I made that line and I'll just be opening it. Very easy. In case you don't understand what I did here, you can rewatch the video. So instead of cutting it just the way it was, I changed the position of the fabric and I'll be cutting out that front neckline and also cutting the opening at the front. Very easy. So you will maintain the same neck width. The only difference is the neck depth. So the back neck depth is not as deep as the front neck depth. That is just it. Very easy. We won't be leaving this neckline this way. We'll be piping it. I have made several videos on how to pipe your neckline and there are many ways you can pipe it. So for me, I just got another piece of fabric. I placed it are behind this fabric, that is under this fabric, and I just marked out the opening, just as you can see me do. I used my chalk to trace it out, and when I was done, I just removed my pins, then used my scissors to cut along the traced line. So that's it. So here again, you need to be careful on how you pipe it. So if you want to pipe it, the wrong side of this little cutout will be facing the right side of your main fabric, that is your main cloth. Okay, you have to do it like that. Sometimes it's very easy to mix things up. So now I'll be showing you how to pipe it, although it may not be too detailed. I have several videos on that, on how to pipe the neckline. You can make use of this your hemming gum to do it, or you can just go ahead to stitch it. But for me, I just use the hemming glue or hemming gum to hem the edges. Then I just placed my cutout on my fabric, on my main top like this. I made sure it aligned very well, and I went ahead to pin down, because you want to do a neat job. Let me say the hardest part of this style is just the neckline. Apart from that, every other part is just straightforward, very easy. So if you are a beginner and you are wondering the kind of style you should make, I think you should start with this kind of style. It's very easy, super easy. So when I was done stitching, I started notching because it's curved, so I needed to notch it so that it will relax. So after notching, I just like notch that area too. You see, that part is very important. If you want it to relax, you notch it, then you flip it over to the wrong side. After flipping over, it's good to give it a very good ironing so that it flattens out. So that is it, guys. It's now looking flat. So for the sleeve, I've hemmed the two sides. For the bottom of the shirt, I've also gone ahead to hem it. And you remember that opening I created from the hemming part? I'll also be folding it like that, just as you can see. Then when I'm done, I will just stitch on the sides at 1 inch, and that is all for this danshiki top. Guys, kindly let me know what you think about this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful. If you are yet to join this beautiful family, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, and do not also forget to like, comment and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.